Hello, and thank you for watching the video. I need to cut the grass today and wanted to take care of this tire. So this tire here has a slow leak, and when I say slow leak, I'm talking about 10 days it gets to this point. What you see here still has air, but there's no way I'd want to cut the grass like that, so I'm going to have to put air in this if I want to cut the grass. But what I decided to do was try a product that I came across a while back. Wasn't going to get it, didn't get it just for this purpose, but it's Fix-A-Flat, all right, from Pennzoil, and was reading back here, and it says that it is recommended for passenger cars, vans, light trucks, trailers, lawn tractors, and ATVs. Do not use in bicycle, high performance Z-rated, or motorcycle tires. So the tire here has some really serious dry rot, as you see here. That's not the issue, because this has a tube in it. Now obviously with the tubes, I didn't see anywhere on here where this thing would work on a tube, and it's pretty obvious. I mean, if you got a tube that's got a big hole in it, this stuff's not going to work. This is really for tubeless tires. It is designed for, like, if you got a nail in your radial, you try to pull the nail out if you can, and then you spray all this in to the valve. You don't have to take the core out of the valve. Yeah, and you spray it all in, connect it to the hose here, and then the end result, it actually pumps the tire up, and then you start driving. It says drive for 2 to 4 miles. It doesn't say anything about inflating. I think I've seen other products where it says to drive to your, drive around and to the gas station or somewhere to put air in it after, if it does, because I don't see how it's going to pump it up like that. But anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and deflate this all the way and see how well it does pump it up. Now, this is a big can. I don't even know if I'm going to use all this. It says to use it, but of course, anyway, I'll decide on that. So let me go ahead and deflate this all the way till it's like on the ground. Before deflating it, I want to point out it did say to get the valve at the 4 o'clock or 8 o'clock position, so we're going to go ahead and try to get it at the 4 o'clock position. About right there. I'm going to have to chalk the tire there. Look at the dry rot. Pretty obvious it's got to be a tube. All right, here we go. Still can't push that through. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to shake this up. You don't want to shake it when it's connected to the hose is connected to the valve, so you want to shake it before that, about 30 seconds I think it said. Definitely read the instructions. I'm not going to go over all the instructions in the video, so if you get this product, make sure you read all the instructions. I will tell you that it's not for bicycles or motorcycles. Okay, yeah, we're completely, pretty much on the ground there. All right, let's see if it can pump it up. So I've shook this up over 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and screw the end of this hose onto the valve. Okay, I want to hold the can upright when doing this. It says to stop whenever you see no more of the Fix-A-Flat going through the hose. I haven't decided when I'm going to stop this yet, since we're looking at a small tire here. So let's go ahead and push the button here. There we go, looking good, looking really good. You can see the whole mower moving up. Check that out. All right, can is getting light. Probably should have put you on a tripod. All right, I don't hear it hissing anymore. I think I'm gonna need some air, I really do. I don't know, it's pretty hard. I think these need 30 pounds. All right, so I think most importantly, we need to go ahead and start moving, getting this stuff circulated throughout the tire. There we go. All right, so yeah, I don't have a starter that works on this, so I'm gonna have to pull start this. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video. Could use some air, but I think I can cut the grass like that, and then once I get the grass cut, I'll probably put some air in it, or maybe I'll put some in. I don't know what I'll do yet. So let me get back with you in just a second. Okay, I think I'm going to go ahead and put some air in it before trying to mow. All right, so I really wanted to get about 30 pounds, and actually it was actually right at 30 pounds, so I didn't put much air at all in. All right, let me go ahead and get this started if I can, and I'll get right back. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to cut the grass. We're talking about a ½ acre, so I don't know if that's going to be equivalent to a mile, 2 miles, or what, but anyway, I'll get back for a little narration after I cut the grass. Let's hope it stays pumped up. Now, I mean, I don't know if I said, but we're talking 10 days. It got to that point. So it's a small leak with the tube, and a small leak like that, I would think the stuff would work with the tube as well as the tubeless. So, yeah, let me get back after cutting, and I'll tell you what I'm going to do after. All right, so here we are now. I just got finished cutting the grass, and hard as a rock still. Now, I'm not surprised because, you know, we had a slow leak, and that's why I wanted to try this stuff. With the tube and all, I wasn't going to be using the fix it flat with the, you know, if it was like leaking overnight or something. I didn't think that would work. But this may work. And I'm pretty sure, like I said, it's a tube because I don't see any of the fix it flat stuff coming out of any of these cracks. And I had this huge gash here back here. So yeah, we'll see how it works. What I'll do is when I cut the grass again in about 10 days, week, something like that, let you see the tire at that point. Now, when I started the video, that was when you saw the tire, how much it had lost in air, how it deflated. That was 10 days, about 10 days. So we'll check back in about 10 more days and see if it's like that again. So anyway, that's the fix-a-flat stuff here. And I just want to say that if I do let the air out, deflate this, definitely want to wear a mask. I was reading on here that you don't want to breathe this stuff in, so it's something to consider. Yeah, if you use it, make sure you read all the instructions here. I'm going to tell you, I'm not going to be disappointed as long as it will still maintain what I was getting. I don't mind pumping the tire up every time I cut the grass. So anyway, I'll check back and let you know what it looks like. All right, so here it is. No air has been added to this. It's been 13 or 14 days. I put the fix-a-flat in on April the 19th, and it's the 3rd of May now. And I've already cut the grass one time, I think on day 8. I said I'd get back in 10 days, but here we are, 13, 14 days, and it's still the same. No air that I can tell has been lost from the tire, so it's definitely worked. Yeah, very solid. Really happy about it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.